Hello and welcome to Quick Tips 2. Today I'm going to unbox, set up and review the TDBEST USB condenser microphone. We also have an exclusive Amazon discount code for the TDBEST microphone. Read the description for more details. Inside the box there is a condenser microphone, a folding tripod, a microphone clip, a windscreen filter, a windscreen sponge, an additional screw, a rod and a user manual. Let's set it up. Now I'm going to show you how to connect the tripod. First, unscrew the plastic screw at the bottom of your microphone clip. Then connect your microphone clip to your folding tripod. Now feed the rod through the holes on your microphone clip and tighten the screw, ensuring that the bend on the rod remains upright. Then connect the microphone to the microphone clip by feeding the USB end of the cable through the grid first. You can now insert the sponge on top of your microphone. Finally, connect the windscreen filter. As you can see, setting up the microphone is fairly simple. You can also easily rotate the microphone, which is great when using it on your desk. The microphone works with Windows 7, 8, Vista, 10 and MacBook. All you need to do is connect the USB port to your laptop. You don't need to install a driver on your laptop as this will be done automatically. Now let's test it. My voice is now coming from the microphone. As you can hear, the voice is clear and the filter helps avoid any wind in the recording. The microphone works best for sources that are directly in front of it. This makes it perfect for podcast, recording, broadcast, home studio, chatting, YouTube recording, Zoom and Teams calls. You can also use it for singing. Overall, this is an excellent budget microphone. If you have a question about this product, please leave a comment below this video. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel to get the latest tips and reviews on the latest technologies. With Quick Tips 2, knowledge has no limits.